Let's talk about mutant plants. So I'm sure you've seen photos like this around the internet before where people are posting like, oh my god, look what I just found, look at this crazy plant. And yeah, they do look pretty wild, and this is due to a process called fasciation. So fasciation is basically when the developmental process of plants gets a little bit fucked up. Now, this can be due to a variety of things, including just random genetic mutations when during the reproductive process the genes got a little bit fucked up, and instead of growing into a normal flower, the baby flower developed into a Frankenflower. Now, the genetic mutations can just be either completely random, just like, oopsie-daisy, here we are, or they can be due to environmental factors like toxins. And other things can cause it too, like hormonal imbalances, so like if the plant is not producing the right hormones, or is producing too many or too few hormones, it can also cause this because hormones are very important during development as well. And this doesn't just happen in flowers, it can also happen in fruits and vegetables and stems and all of that. There can also be factors causing it, such as bacterial or viral infections, where when infected with a pathogen, the plant is like, no thank you, and then this happens. Now, the fasciation itself is not infectious nor dangerous. Like, you would probably be completely fine to eat the strawberry as long as you, like, wash it properly and all that. However, it can have infectious causes if it's due to like a bacterial or fungal or viral infection. If it infects one plant, it can spread to other plants, but that's not the fasciation itself being infectious, that is the pathogen that is causing the infection. And occasionally, if it is a gene mutation that is responsible for this, if it's due to either a chemical or like developmental mutation, occasionally they can get passed down between generations, but again, it's not really infectious, and if you have a weird looking strawberry, it's probably not going to cause the rest of your strawberry plants to produce weird ones unless it is like pathogenic in nature. It's also overall not the most harmful thing to a plant. Yeah, it just looks weird and may not produce the best flowers or fruit and may hinder reproduction, but overall it's pretty harmless and just makes some weird looking shit.